Hey, what's up guys? I'm Mr. Chris with Infotainment.com. I wanted to give you guys an update of one of our upcoming upgrades that a lot of you have been asking for. You guys already know we currently offer the console shifter conversion for your F-150 trucks. We're currently in a Ford Lightning. This is one of our shop vehicles. So we're now going to be able to offer the upgrade in reverse. So if you have a console shifter, you can convert that to a column shifter, all without changing your physical column out. A lot of you guys wanted this upgrade done without swapping your original column out. You are going to be able to make this possible. The nice thing about this upgrade, especially if you are going from a console shifter and you have the center console that folds out so you can put your laptop and stuff on here, you can't drive with that console shifter in the down position. So if you're planning on driving with that down, it kind of defeats the purpose of having the console shifter in the first place. But with this upgrade, this is going to be converted to a pocket, just like it would be from the factory. And you are going to be able to change out a couple of plastics, a quick little mount. This upgrade is actually going to be an extremely quick install. In just probably 30 minutes, all said and done, you're going to be able to install and utilize this column shifter on your Fords. So if you guys are interested in this upgrade, be sure to check out our product request page on our website, and you guys can get in line. You can be some of the first to try out this upgrade when we launch it.